Hello students, today we are going to discuss about phrases and the clauses. First of all, we will discuss about the phrase. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words without a verb. A phrase is a part of a sentence. It has a meaning but does not make a complete sense. Here that phrase is a group of words. No subject here and no verb combinations. It does not give complete sense. Phrase does not give the complete sense. And here is some examples and the definition of phrase. First of all, we will see the definition. A group of words that makes sense but not complete is called a phrase. Here the example: in the south, in the evening, in the morning, in the north, in the daytime, in the park, at night, etc. These are the examples. But see, in these examples were here is a not a subject and the verb. Okay? And here is some figure and we will try to understand what is a phrase. A group of words, no subject verb combinations, no meaning if it's used alone. If the phrase is used alone, there is no meaning. Okay, then here the sports car, the to watch movie, on the table. There are some figures also given. Understood, no? And now we will see here what is a clause. A clause is a group of words with a verb. A clause also a meaningful part of a sentence. Understand here, try to understand. Here is a subject also and the verb combination also in the clauses. In the phrase there is no subject and no verb combination. Understood, no? Okay, then here it is a group of words, subject verb combination. It can give complete sense, it cannot give complete sense. Okay, here is written that it give the complete sense. Sometime it give the complete sense and sometime it give the here it cannot give the complete sense. Okay, and when it give the complete sense and when it does not give the complete sense, I will tell you later. And first of all, you try to understand here what is a clause. Group of words, subject and verb combination, and complete meaning by itself. Here that if there is a clause, then here is a complete meaning by itself. And here now we will discuss about a type of clause. Here that first one is the independent and the second one is the dependent. Here that independent, it is a complete sentence and it give the complete sense also. And here dependent, it is here does not convey full meaning. Incomplete sentence, it is an incomplete sentence also. Suppose that what here is a sentence is written that you were in the party. You were in the party. It is a independent. Then here dependent, here when I came home, then what happened? Then when I came home, then what happened? So here see that when I came home you were in the party. It is a dependent, it is a independent. Understood, no? And here is some other examples of the dependent and the independent. Okay, clause. Before you go to bed, you have to finish your homework. It is a dependent and it is a independent. Here the second one, after months of research, he finally finished his novel. It is a dependent and it is a independent. I hate to drink coffee because it upset my stomach. It is a independent and it is a dependent. I hope you understood. Now here is some examples were there. Two examples were there. There is a first one is a phrase and second one is a clause. Then you should know then what is a phrase. Phrase here no subject and no verb. Phrase has a no subject and no verb, and the clause has a subject and has a verb. Clause have a subject and verb. Okay, now there is an example, my best friend. Both are the group of words. Both are the group phrases, phrase also and the clause also. Both are the group of words. Now there is an example. Okay, my best friend. John is my best friend. Now here that see that my best friend. Here is a subject or where is a subject? Okay, my best friend, here is a no subject and no verb, so it is a phrase. Okay, understood? No, here that John is my best friend, here is a subject and verb also, so it is a clause. Understood? No. And here is some homework for you. Here the write P for the phrase and C for the clause. In the park, it is a, here is a no subject and no verb, so it is a phrase. Here when I arrived, here is a subject and verb also, so it is a clause. Here the rest of you have to do. Understood? No? Then here choose the right answer to complete these phrases and write again. Here that two options was provided there. First option is here and then second one is a here. Then you have to select which one is your answer. You have to complete this full sentence here. Okay, 1 and 2, and wait, the rest of is here. Okay, complete this homework. Okay, bye, then see you in the next class.